Today we're going to review the Gerber Gear ComplEAT Set. The Gerber Gear ComplEAT Set is an all-in-one camping cooking solution. The 16-piece nested set includes a stock pot, a saute pan with a detachable handle, lids, 4 bowls, 4 plates, a hot pad, a mixing bowl, and a storage bag. Basically, it provides almost everything you need to prepare, cook, and enjoy meals during your outdoor adventures for a family of 4. The nested setup makes it easy to keep everything together for easy storage and transport, making them ideal for camping or picnicking. The Gerber Gear ComplEAT Set is constructed with durability in mind. The pots and pans and lids are all made from high-quality stainless steel with a 3-ply base construction for even heat distribution. The plastic bowls and plates are BPA-free and dishwasher safe, ensuring long-lasting performance and easy cleanup. The mixing bowl and the regular bowls all have volumetric markings, and the plate can be used as a cover to the mixing bowl as well. So whether you're cooking over a campfire or cooking your meals with a camping stove, the Gerber Gear ComplEAT Set has you covered. It comes with a limited lifetime warranty. We highly recommend it.